Hello everybody, we're going to do some maths learning today, and this week we're going to be thinking about measurement. We're going to be using words like long and short, tall and short, wide and narrow. Those are all words that describe the size of different objects. Now, there's a little video clip that I'm going to post for you from BBC, and I want you to have a little look at that on this activity, and that will just go through those words again and show you how to use them. Now today we're going to be using the words not just long, but we're going to be using the words longer and shorter, because those are opposite words, aren't they? So we're going to find out which things are longer and which things are shorter. Now, the object that I want you to find to do your measuring with is a pen or a pencil, something that's quite strong and that won't bend, that you can go on a measuring hunt with around your house. And all I want you to do is to find different objects to put next to your pen to find out whether the pen is longer than your object or shorter than your object. And I want to show you how to do that. So I've got a little Duplo brick from our Duplo bricks in the classroom. Now, I'm going to put them next to each other, my pen and my Duplo brick, to find out if the pen is longer or shorter than the Duplo brick. I bet you can see already which is longer, can't you? But if I want to do a very careful measurement, and that's what we're going to be practicing this week, I need to put my objects close together so that they start in the same place. Now, I'm going to use my table to help me as well, and that's much easier because I can see now that the bottom of the pen and the bottom of the brick have started their measurement in the same place. And then I can see, well, you tell me which one is longer. It's the pen, isn't it? So the pen is longer than the Duplo brick. That's really important when we're comparing the objects, that we do put them end to end. So we're starting our measurement in the same place. So grown-ups, I'm sure you'll help your children to do that. Let's try another one. Let's choose my drinks cup here. Now then, again, you could have a little guess before you start. We call that estimating, when you make a guess before you do your measuring. Do you think my pen is longer or shorter than the drinks cup? What do you think? Make your guess. Now let's measure them. So do you remember, we need to put them next to each other, side to side, starting exactly in the same place. I could use the floor or I can use my table again. Let's do that. And can you see, was your guess right? Which one is longer? Which one is shorter? It's the drinks cup, isn't it? So this time, the drinks cup is longer than the pen. So my pen is shorter than the drinks cup. So when you're doing your measuring, can you tell your grown-ups and use those important words, shorter and longer, to show what you found out when you do your measuring? Shall we do one more? Shall we do, I'll tell you who we'll do. Here's Monty Pig. Now, Monty Pig, you might have a toy like this at home and you might think, I want to measure and compare with my pen, but I'm not sure where to put them. So you, again, think about where the best place is to put them end to end. So I think I'm going to start at the back of Monty Pig on his back. And then I can put my pen next to the very end of Monty Pig. So they're measuring from the same place. And then I can see, I think Monty Pig is a lot longer, isn't he, than my pen. And my pen, what would I say? My pen is shorter than Monty Pig. You getting the idea? Do you understand? I'm sure you do. So your challenge today around your house is to find something like a pen or a pencil, go around the house measuring and comparing things next to your pen to find out whether your pen is longer than them or whether your pen is shorter than them. find 5 objects that are longer than your pen and 5 objects that are shorter than your pen. And remember, have a little guess first before you start measuring. Tell you what, let's do one estimate. Let's guess. Look at the whiteboard that we've got here. Let's make a guess. If I'm going to do my measuring here, that's a really good length, isn't it, to measure? Is my pen going to be longer or shorter than my whiteboard? What do you think? Tell me your guess. Brilliant. Well done. I heard lots of people telling me that they thought the whiteboard was going to be longer than the pen. So the pen will be shorter than the whiteboard. There we go. It's much shorter, isn't it? So I know you're going to have lots of big objects as well that you'll see around your house, but also it gets a little bit trickier when the objects are closer in size, like my scissors here. You see, you've got to be really careful when you do your measuring then, to make sure you're doing it really carefully. So have lots of fun with your measuring today, and I look forward to seeing what objects you found to compare with your pen. Bye for now.